Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. You know, for the whole month of December, we will be working with 3D shapes. So, I want you to go ahead and use your prediction skills and think about what 3D shape might be on our calendar card for today. Okay, let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be a crayon box on our calendar card? Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. So, first graders, we saw on today's calendar card that there was a crayon box. And we know that crayon boxes are rectangular prisms. That's the type of 3D shape they are. So, I have a very small rectangular prism. And we also learned three new vocabulary words yesterday. And the first was edges. So let's go ahead and count the edges on our 3D shape. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know there are 12 edges on a rectangular prism. Now let's go ahead and count the faces. And I'm going to actually write on this rectangular prism. So we have one face here. We have 2, 3 faces, 4 faces, 5 faces, and 6 faces. So we know that a rectangular prism has 12 edges and it has 6 faces. Now let's go ahead and count the vertices. And remember, the vertices are where the faces meet and come to a point. So today we have many points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices on our rectangular prism. Now let's go ahead and say our date for today. And we know when we say our date, we always start with the day of the week. And today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. Let's say that together one more time. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and say our days of the week together. And we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, from our calendar, we know that today is Wednesday. So let's use that first grade reading skills. If today is Wednesday, read it with me. Yesterday was. What was yesterday? It was Tuesday. Okay, let's keep going. Tomorrow will be. What will it be tomorrow? If today is Wednesday, what's going to be tomorrow? Thursday. Okay, let's keep going. Now we're going to say our months of the year, and we know we start with the first month, which is January, and we go all the way to the last month, which is December. So let's go ahead, first graders. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This month is December, and December is the last month of the year. It is the 12th month. Now let's go ahead and write our date. And you know we write our date two different ways. The first is with the number of the month. And we know December is the last month. It is the 12th month of the year. and our date today is the 2nd, and our year is 2020, but you know I'm not going to write out that, just the two last digits, that 2 and that 0. Now I'm going to write the abbreviation for December, and I'm going to bring the 2nd on down. It's the 2nd day of December, comma, now all 4 digits, 2020. So, first graders, my favorite part is how many days have we been learning together? On yesterday, we had been learning together for 59 days. Today is a brand new day. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more square. But you know what? I can't stop there. This is a whole group of 10. So I'm going to color them all in. We have another group of 10. So we're going to count all of those columns by 10. So let's go ahead and count them by 10 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have been learning together for 60 whole days. Now I'm going to go ahead and write the number 60, that 2-digit number, and I'm going to go ahead and spell 60. So here is how it looks as a number, and this is how it looks as a word. And we know this is a 2-digit number. We have a 6 in the tens place, and we have a 0 in the ones place. There are no extras over here. That's why we have our 0. And you know it's a new month. I broke up my equations, and I did my tens, all my tens together. And I did 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 60. And then I decided to go and have a little bit fun. I put my two reds together. That's two groups of 10 made 20. Then I put my two blues together, and that made two groups of 20. And then I did a 10 plus another 10. So I did 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 equals 60. And then I went our good old-fashioned way and kept it really simple and did 60 plus 0, because we had 0 ones, equals 60. Now you know for the month of December, we're going to continue collecting hours in our day. On yesterday, it was 1 o'clock, and we need to collect one more hour. Oh, on yesterday, actually, it was 1 p.m. because we now have our AM for the morning and our PM for the afternoon. So let's go ahead and collect our extra hours. And we see that our hour hand is on the 2 and our minute hand is on the 12. And we can say that the time is 2 o'clock. Or because we know we're in the PM section, we started our PM section on Monday. We are now going to write it, and we can say that this is actually 2 p.m. on our analog clock. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the hour hand and the minute hand. Now let's go ahead and look at some activities that we can do during our day. So we see that the little boy is watching TV. We can definitely say that we can watch TV after school, so maybe around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and that would be hour 17 or hour 18 of our day. So I'm going to put this picture on the PM side. And look, now we have an alarm clock going off. When do we generally have our alarm clocks going off? Yeah, in the morning to wake us up. So we know that we need to put this in the AM side of our time. And I'm going to go ahead and think about that. Our alarm, it might go off around maybe 6 or 7 a.m. in the morning. So that would be hour 6 or hour 7 of the day. Now, my first graders, I need for you to close this video, click on that button, and go finish your class kick assignment. I will see you later. Bye-bye.